Tired of manually transferring contact data between Mailchimp and Zoho CRM, feeling like your marketing efforts are disconnected? Well, get ready to bridge that gap. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Mailchimp to Zoho CRM, unlocking seamless data synchronization and boosting your marketing ROI. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Setup icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it to access the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Marketplace section. It may be labeled Extensions, Marketplace, or something similar. Select that option. Now, in the Zoho Marketplace search bar, type in Mailchimp. This will bring up any Mailchimp integrations available for Zoho CRM. Locate the official Mailchimp for Zoho CRM integration. Be sure to choose the legitimate one to ensure compatibility and security. Click the Install button. You'll likely be prompted to agree to terms and conditions and grant permissions for the integration. Read these carefully. Then check the boxes and click Continue to proceed with the installation. Next, you'll be redirected to Mailchimp to authorize the connection. Log into your Mailchimp account and grant Zoho CRM the necessary permissions to access your data. Once authorized, you'll be taken back to Zoho CRM. Here, you'll typically find options to configure data synchronization, such as mapping Mailchimp fields to Zoho CRM fields. Choose which Mailchimp lists you want to sync with your Zoho CRM modules, such as leads or contacts. Configure any other settings according to your specific needs. And that's it. With Mailchimp and Zoho CRM connected, your contact data will automatically sync, allowing you to create targeted email campaigns and track your marketing performance more effectively. Go ahead, take advantage of this powerful integration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.